Okay guys, day 2, technically day 3. We are going to, where are we going? City Palace, guys. It's like a walking distance from where we live. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I'll put subtitles. But yeah, we're going to City Palace right about now, and then we plan on going to shopping again. I won't shop. Let's see. We are going inside the City Palace. It's already beautiful. Okay guys, we are still at City Palace right now. We're almost done with the tour. I think we have just one place more that we have to go. And right now we're, not me but my friends, we're all taking pictures. I'll go get some pictures, like group pictures with them. I'm sitting, I'm tired, and I just wanted to update you guys. I don't think I got a lot of clips, but I think I got decent amount of clips because I was just into the moment. I just forgot. I was clicking pictures with my camera, so I forgot to get videos. But I will put up pictures for you guys here and on my Instagram, so go follow me there. And yeah, I think that's about it for now. I think you'll see me now when we go for lunch, maybe, or maybe in the evening when we are maybe going for a boat ride while sunset. So I'll see you guys then. Probably we'll get some nice clips. Okay, bye. Whoa, ये गई है? रोनाली ने हाफ भी नहीं पिया।
Yes! Yes, Gaga, you look so good.
Else, just else over here. Okay guys, so I went for a like little sunset kind of thing, and it was really beautiful. And now I am actually with my friend. We're actually planning a surprise party almost for her at the rooftop of the hostel that we're staying at, but she cannot know. I mean, she kind of has an idea because we told her that she has to dress up tonight, but I have to stall her, so I'm like making her eat Maggie and like coffee, and then I'm gonna take her shopping to stall her because the others are decorating the place. So that's what's happening. I'll keep you guys updated. This is a little twist in the Udaipur vlog. So I hope you guys are excited as I am.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Mrunali. Happy Happy birthday to you.
बहुत अच्छा गीत है.
To you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Mrinali.
Candles as well.
Happy birthday to you, Mrinali. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday पूरा ऐसे happy.
It's failed birthday cake.
No, we don't just want your birthday to be happy. We want you to be happy.
Nice,
Bas.
nice, bro, nice. I like.
No, I don't want me to cry. Happy
Come on, यार मजा नहीं आएगा.
tears. We want happy
Cry.
एक second.
दिखा.
Guys, before guys, I have a T-shirt. कुछ रे. Before guys वाला.
हाँ मालूम है.
It all. ये दे ये chocolate है.
ये ले, this is for you.
Rishi's heart. Oh my God.
This is for you. लेना, this is for you. This is hard but ठीक है. नहीं दिख रहा है but मान ले.
A heart, but it looks like a bum.
अरे उसने फेफड़े फुला के बनाए.
सच में.
फेफड़े फुला के बनाए.
वही तो कहा उसने फेफड़े फुलाए.
सच में मेरे फेफड़ों की हवा है उसमें यार.
फेफड़े की हवा है.
हाँ ठीक है. Okay guys, so it is I think day 4 now and I haven't vlogged today because we didn't do a lot of things went south. I'll explain later, but right now we are at अबे यार मैं लेक का नाम भूल गई. लेक का नाम. हाँ, we are here for a lake ride. This is the Pichola lake. We're taking like a 20-minute boat ride around the lake. It's really beautiful. I'll show you guys the clips. And then we're going to Karni Mata Mandir. I've already been to one temple today. We're going to Karni Mata. We're going via ropeway. So right now we are going towards the boat. So I'll see you guys then. Okay, so we got back from the boat ride as you guys saw, and now we're going on our way to the ropeway to Karni Mata Mandir, and we're gonna catch the sunset there probably. So we're on our way. We just stopped for a little bit to take some good pictures, and now we're going. Good morning, guys. It is officially our last full day here in Udaipur. We're leaving tomorrow, but we have hit a little bit of a hiccup here today. We've moved to a different hostel. Yeah. Huh. We've moved to a different hostel, so we're staying at another. So we're getting breakfast right now. It's morning, early morning, but we've reached a hiccup. Some of us are not feeling well, so maybe we are staying in today. I don't think we're going to go to a lot of places today. I don't know. I'll let you know if we feel better. We'll go, but if not, I think we're gonna stay in. Yeah. Besides that, I think we're just gonna go get breakfast now. Update, guys. I am now dressed up a little bit finally, and me and Bernali, we both are not we both are feeling good. I didn't feel sick. She did, but she's feeling better, and the other three are still a little bit under the weather. So the two of us are just roaming the streets here where we are staying. It's close to all of the tourist spots, but not the ones that we were supposed to go today. So, and we all are not going to, like, we all have to go together. So since three cannot go, we two cannot go. So we're here just surfing the streets, maybe do some street shopping. And this is again inside the mask. Okay. So we're here at the Gangor Ghat that we came like yesterday, I think. I don't know which part of the vlog was that in, but we're here. It's too sunny. I should have gotten sunglasses or a hat. But hey, so we're here, and I brought my camera with me to do some street photography because I haven't gotten the chance to do it. So that's what I'm doing. This is you. Beautiful. So yeah, I think we are just going to roam the streets for a little bit and then maybe eat some lunch. Not too heavy because we're not feeling good, all of us. Yeah. And then we're leaving tomorrow morning, early morning. This is our last day. We all are quite bummed that we all fell sick on the same day. But hey, health before, I don't know what, but health before anything else, I think. So we're taking care. And with COVID going around, I think we need to be more cautious of our health. And it's not COVID, just to give you guys clarity on the situation. It's something we all ate, which didn't sit well with any of us because we've been eating out for the past 3-4 days now. So it's, I think, affecting all of our systems, and it's finally coming up. I am feeling better than the others, fortunately, unfortunately, both. But yeah, I hope all of us feel better by tomorrow or maybe tonight, so we can go out for a nice dinner at least before we leave. But yeah, that's about it. That's what I wanted to update you guys about. Update, guys. My friends are feeling a lot better than they were this morning, so we decided to make it to Sajjangarh Fort, and we are right now at Sajjangarh Fort. Very pretty. That's the fort, and sitting in between the garden that's near the fort because I wanted to, and the sun is setting, so it's really beautiful. Really beautiful view. I'll show you guys some clips of the view.